What if I told you that you could start making money from home today, without any skills, without any inventory, and with zero upfront cost? Sounds like a scam, right? Wrong. Big companies like Amazon and Shopify don't want you to know this, because once you learn this secret, you'll realize how easy it is to make $500, $1,000, even $5,000 a month, all by working just 3 to 4 hours a day. Stay with me for the next 10 minutes, and I'll reveal exactly how you can start earning right away. But hurry, this won't stay a secret for long. So, what is this magic money-making method? It's called dropshipping, and before you think, oh, I've heard this before, trust me, you've never seen it explained like this. Here's why dropshipping is the ultimate lazy money-making machine. 1. No upfront inventory. You don't need to buy products. 2. No shipping headaches. Your supplier handles everything. 3. No experience needed. You just need a laptop or phone. But listen, dropshipping is just one of the many ways to earn online. If you really want to master online income and create multiple streams of revenue, you need to learn Fiverr freelancing. That's why I created the Fiverr Mastering Course, a step-by-step guide that teaches you how to earn $2,000 to $3,000 per month from Fiverr with no skills. People are making life-changing money with Fiverr, and I'll personally guide you through every step. Check the link in the description and join now before the price goes up. Forget expensive suppliers like Alibaba. CJ Dropshipping lets you start with zero investment. Here's how. 1. Go to cjdropshipping.com. 2. Click on trending products. This shows you what's hot right now. 3. Filter by no upfront cost. This means you don't need to buy stock. 4. Pick a product with high demand and low competition. This simple strategy ensures you pick a product that sells. And the best part? You don't need a warehouse or any stock. Now let's move to the money part. Selling it on a platform that people already trust. By the way, if you're watching this and thinking, I want more ways to earn, then dropshipping and Fiverr go hand in hand. Why? Because many people sell Shopify store designs on Fiverr for $100, $200, even $500 per store. And guess what? You can do it too, even if you have zero skills. That's why my Fiverr Mastering Course is so important. It teaches you everything from A to Z. If you haven't joined yet, what are you waiting for? Link in the description. You have 2 options. 1. Amazon, the giant money machine. List your product for free. When someone orders, CJ Dropshipping ships it for you. You keep the profit without touching the product. 2. Shopify, your personal money-making website. Build a store in 30 minutes, use a free theme, add your product, and boom, you have a brand. Which one should you choose? If you want quick money, go with Amazon. If you want long-term passive income, build a Shopify brand. But hold on, we're missing one piece. How do we get sales fast? Remember, online income is all about combining multiple streams. Dropshipping is amazing, but Fiverr can help you scale up your income even faster. If you master freelancing on Fiverr, you'll have a backup income stream while you build your dropshipping business. That's why I highly recommend my Fiverr Mastering Course. It's the best way to secure your financial future. Don't miss out. Join now. Most people fail in dropshipping because they waste money on ads, but I'll show you a free method to get sales immediately. 1. TikTok Organic. Make short videos of your product, show how it works, and post daily. 2. Instagram Reels. Use viral trends to showcase the product and add a link in your bio. 3. Facebook Marketplace and Groups. List your product for free and let Facebook bring you buyers. If you follow these steps, you'll make your first sale within a week, without spending a single penny on ads. And once you start making money, then reinvest to scale up to $10,000 a month. Now you know the exact blueprint to start earning money today with dropshipping. No skills, no inventory, no risk. But here's the truth. 99% of people will watch this and do nothing. Only 1% will take action. The question is, are you in that 1%? Don't wait for the perfect moment, because the opportunity is now. Start with CJ Dropshipping. List your first product and watch the money roll in. And if you want to learn the ultimate side hustle, check out my Fiverr Mastering Course right now. It's your ticket to financial freedom. That's it, your lazy money-making machine is ready. Now go take action. See you in the next video.